Technology changes much quicker than our laws can keep up with. Yet, there still need to be rules to protect our personally sensitive data from theft or oversharing. To reduce the confusion of possibly having conflicting data protection laws for each member country of the European Union, the EU has passed the General Data Protection Regulation. This is good news for citizens of the EU, but it may change the fashion in how some organizations collect, store, and use customer data. Be aware of who and where you are collecting data from. The GDPR applies to any controller or processor of EU citizen data. Therefore, if an organization collects, stores, and/or processes any personal sensitive data belonging to the EU citizens, they must follow the GDPR data protection regulations regardless of where the data is collected, stored, or used, or where the organization is based. Collect only the pieces of personal customer data you really need. Software developers are rarely subject matter experts with respect to the data they are processing, so it is not uncommon for applications to collect personal data just in case it might be found useful at some point in time. Because this sensitive data must be well protected, which will take serious effort by the developers of software applications, it may not even be worth the effort for an organization to collect as much personal data as they have done in the past. Guard sensitive data, don't hoard it. In this time of big data, it has become easy for organizations to save every piece of information available to them in hopes that they may gain some valuable insight from it. However, criminals are abusing this data hoarding behavior by stealing sensitive data when it is left unprotected by the collectors of the data. The GDPR is the EU's way of protecting its citizens' personal data and hopefully changing the behavior of organizations that collect such personal data. Following these simple steps will keep your organization GDPR compliant.